New pick review, Black Mountain picks, Tagua flat pick. These are picks that are made out of vegetable ivory. They usually come 4 in a pack for $20, but in this case, I am missing a pick because one of my students nabbed one, which tells you where this review is going. You guys did a good job with this. You have 2 claims, right? That this vegetable ivory is giving you a exceptional tone, similar to something like the Timbertones horn pick that I use for my playing mostly. And I would say that these two sound alike. This sounds better than plastic, but it sounds on an equal playing field as something made out of animal horn. And if you're making something sustainable out of vegetables and not out of animal, but still getting the same tone, I think you're doing a morally good thing. So I really like that. I think that's great. The second claim is that the cork here is a better grip than just the vegetable ivory. And so, you know, this pick you would say is maybe a little bit more slippery. It's a smooth surface, so the cork is supposed to give you a better grip. I would be mixed on that. Am I happy that you guys use cork here instead of making the whole pick vegetable ivory? Yes. Do I think that this grip is as good as like the perforated indented grip or the hole in the Bog Street picks? So it's like an indent and hole that's bigger than this your fingers touch? No. This feels as secure in my hand as this. I haven't really dropped this that much, so I'm fine with that. But your hands get sweaty. This basically becomes pretty close to a smooth surface. It's not soft. It's really hard cork. So there's no like indentation when I press into it. So it hold a cork, and does that feel particularly grippy? I don't think so. Do I feel like it feels more grippy than the vegetable ivory around it? Yeah, it's a good design choice, but I think you can iterate on maybe like shaping this or making a larger indent to get a little bit more grippiness out of it. But I can't really complain because, again, I use this pick and the cork is definitely as grippy as this, so I don't think that's a really big point against it. So if you are looking for a pick that gives you kind of exceptional tone, similar to like a Timbertones pick or a blue chip pick, but not at a blue chip pick price, because I'm reviewing those picks next and they better be like rockets for how much they cost, but you guys recommended them, I'm gonna try them. Anyways, these picks are made sustainably out of vegetable material. They cost 20 bucks for 4 of them. That means you're only paying $5 a pick and you're getting exceptional tone. In comparison, these cost about $30, but you have to import them, so I can't really knock them. I think these are great, and I think they're great for if you're an acoustic or an arch top player. The only knock really against them, the only reason why I'm not gonna be playing them that much is just the size. They say this is a flat pick. They don't say this is a jazz pick. So this isn't a design flaw. It's just a different preference. I like jazz picks. I like smaller picks. And I hold my pick like this between my fingers. So I don't need a larger surface. Now, my teacher holds his pick like this. And I mean, if I was using this pick, that's the way I would hold it. If you hold your pick like this and use the Benson method, oof, does this feel really damn good. So the only reason why I'm not going to be switching over is just make this, guys, but in a jazz pick form, you got me. Make this and with a lever, ooh, you got me. But I'm not ready to make the switch yet. But I think it's a good pick. I think if you want exceptional tone and not a jazz pick design, this is a good pick. And I think also if you just want like a pick that gives you exceptional tone, but not at a really high price, I think this is a good pick. So this is like a 4.8 out of 5 stars for me.